Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Do you want a dashcam?
He just hitting one.
What was that? Ah, damn.
Spill over the hilltop like a fortified town, designed not to keep invaders out, but inhabitants in. And so I looked it up, and there was notable prisoners.
This woman hit me.
What the? What the?
Cracker.
Stupid ass.
Discussion from my family. No hesitation through my scope. I see my enemy like what's up. We finna be. Yes, I reload up. I know what.
Relax.
The devil gonna rush me. I'm a fool for pain. My dummy might come. I'm like never going slow. It's up the pain. This is
Oh, shit. What the? Can you relax? You see there's cars in front, right?
Ah bon? Il est-tu épais, lui, tabarnak? Ah bon? Il est-tu épais, lui, tabarnak?
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
I couldn't even get him. I figured maybe I'd get him. No, we had no money back in those days. You made $96 a week, and then there was a blizzard, and the radio station didn't even say to you, "Hey, we'll put everyone up." You know, they didn't give a shit about it.
They didn't care.
So we.
Oh my f***ing God! Oh my.
Stop, 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 stop! Oh my god. Thank you. Stop.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.